Car Story research indicates this vehicle as a good deal and loaded with features. Features also include parking assist system, keyless ignition, premium sound system, leather seats, hands-free Bluetooth integration, and has been listed as an IIHS top safety pick with these ratings. Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 CX-9. This 7-passenger crossover boasts unexpected styling, a powerful yet fuel-efficient engine, and standard luxuries. Safety also comes standard with the CX-9's 5-star governmental front and side impact crash test rating. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, traction control, remote keyless entry, fog lights, remote trunk release, FWD, headlights auto off, navigation system, cruise control. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.